Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that find A inverse using elementary row operations. Given matrix A is equals to this, so solution. So in elementary row operations, to find the inverse of this matrix A inverse, we have to create another matrix such that will make the left hand side of that matrix an identity matrix, which is a 3 by 3 identity matrix. So let's write the matrix. The matrix is given by, so we'll put this matrix here. Be 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, minus 1, then minus 1, 3, and 6. Then column. Then we write the identity matrix, the 3 by 3 identity matrix. Then here is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So this is the matrix. So what we will do now? Is to convert all the elements in the first column to 1, 0, and 0, so that they will be equal to this. Then we'll move to the second column, and then finally the third column. So when looking at the first column, this one is already the same as this, so we'll just move to the second and third items here. So to convert this to 0, what we will do is that we will say R2 will now become R2 minus 2 R1, such that this is the second row. So if we say second row minus 2 times the first row, this 2 will times by this one, and 2 minus 2 will be 0, so here will be 0. So let's do that. So our matrix now becomes, so in this one it's only the second row that will change. So what will be here now will be the second row minus 2 times the first row. So it will be what? It will be 2, or let's multiply this first, is what? 2 times 1 is 2, so 2 minus 2 is what? Is 0. So here will be 0. So then 2 times 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is what? Is 4. 2 times negative 1 is what? Is minus 2. Then 3 minus minus 2 is what? Is 5. Then the same thing here. Here will be 0 minus 2 times 1 is 2, which is minus 2. Then here also is what? 1 minus 2 times 0, which is 1. Here also is what? Is 0 minus 2 times 0, which is 0. Then here is the same thing, 3 minus 1, 6, 0, 0, 1. So we have done the first one. Now, we'll convert this to 0. So to convert this to 0, we are going to write this condition. We have to minus this from something that will be 0, and it's only 3 that can minus this to be 0. So it will be 3 minus, we'll say row 3 minus 3 times row 1. But all the other rows will still remain the same, so we'll write the other rows. 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 4, 5, minus 2, 1, 0. You can use our calculator to do this. So now it will be row 3 minus 3 times row 1. So row 3 is what? Is 3 minus 3 times what? Row 1 here is 1. So it's 0. 0, 0, then what? Row 3 now is what? Instead of 3 is negative 1. So we write negative 1 minus 3 times what? 0 here, which is minus 1. Then the next one is what? Is 6 minus 3 times what? Times minus 1, which is 9. The next one is 0 minus 3 times 1, which is what? Minus 3. Then 0 minus 3 times 0 is what? Is 0. Then 1 minus 3 times 0 is 1. So the next one, so now we have successfully converted this column to the identity matrix. Now we are going to move to the second column. Now 0 is already the same thing as this one. So we'll move to the second one, which is what? Is 4. To convert this 4 to 1, we'll times this second row by 1 over 4. So that 1 over 4 times 4 is 1. So it will be R2 times, or I can say 1 over 4 R2. The same thing as R2 times 1 over 4. So it will be what? Means 1 0 minus 1 1 0 0. So here 1 over 4 times 0 is 0. This times 1 over 4 is 1. This becomes 5 over 4. This becomes negative 2 over 4, which is what? This is 1 over 2. So we can write 1 over 2. So negative 2 over 4 is negative 1 over 2. Then, so this is negative 1 over 2. Then this is what? 1 over 4. Then this is what? 0. Then this is 0 minus 1, 9, minus 3, 0, and 1. So next, we are going to convert this to 0. So we are just going to say row 3 plus row 2. So that this minus this will be 0. So now row 3 will be equals to row 3 plus row 2. So m is equals to what? 1 0 minus 1 1 0 0 0 1 5 over 4 minus 1 over 2 1 over 4 0. So now row 3 plus row 2 is what? Is 0 plus 0, which is 0. Negative 1 plus 1 is what? Is 0. So 9 plus 5 over 4 is 41 over 4. Then minus 3 minus 1 over 2 is minus 7 over 2. Then this is 0 plus this, which is 1 over 4. Then this is 1 plus 0, which is 1. So now we have completed the first and the second columns, and we have successfully converted them to this part of identity matrix here. That's these two columns of identity matrix, remaining the last column. So now this one, we can easily convert it to 1 by multiplying the third row by 4 over 41. So the third row can be multiplied by 4 over 41. So it will be row 3 is equals to 4 over 41 row 3. So now this becomes 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 5 over 4, minus 1 over 2, 1 over 4, and 0. So now we multiply this by 4 over 41. This becomes 0, 0, 1. Then 4 over 41 times negative 7 over 2 is negative 14 over 41. Then the next one is times 1 over 4. This is 1 over 41. Then the last one is times 1, which is 4 over 41. So now we can easily convert this one to 0 by adding row 1 and row 3, because minus 1 plus 1 is what is 0. So we can easily say that row 1 now becomes row 1 plus row 3. So now row 1 is now row 1 plus row 3. So it will be this plus this, which is 1. Here will be 1. Then this plus this is what is 0. This plus this becomes 0. This plus this is what? 1 minus 14 over 41, which is 27 over 41. Then this is 0 plus this, which is 1 over 41. Then this is 0 plus 4 over 41, which is what? 4 over 41. Then this is the same thing. 0, 1, 5 over 4, negative 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 0, 1, negative 14 over 41, 1 over 41, 4 over 41. Now finally, to convert this one to 0, so what we are going to do is, we will say that row 2 minus 5 over 4 row 3, because 5 over 4 minus 5 over 4 times 1 is 0. So we'll say that row 2 is equal to row 2 minus 5 over 4 row 3. So that becomes row 1 is the same thing, 1, 0, 0, 27 over 41, 1, over 41, 4 over 41. Then row 2 changes. So row 2 now will be row 2 minus 5 over 4 row 3. So this will be 0 minus 5 over 4, 0, which is 0. Then this is what? This is 1 minus 5 over 4, 0, which is what? It's 1. Then this is 5 over 4 minus 5 over 4, 1, which is what? 0. Then this will be minus 1 over 2 minus 5 over 4 times this. So it will be what? Negative 1 over 2 minus 5 over 4 times what? Times minus 14 over 41. This minus 3 over 41. This minus 3 over 41. Then the next one is what? Is 1 over 4. Next one is 1 over 4 minus 5 over 4 times what? Times 1 over 41. So it's 9 over 41. So here is what? 9 over 41. Then the next one is what? 0 minus 5 over 4 5 over 4 times what? Times 4 over 41, which is minus 5 over 41. So then, row 3 is as this. So it's what? Is 0, 0, 1. Then minus 14 over 41, 1 over 41, and 4 over 41. So finally, we have converted the matrix on the left-hand side to an identity matrix, a 3 by 3 identity matrix. And the matrix on the right-hand side is known as the inverse matrix. So hence, we can conclude that A inverse is equals to the matrix on the right-hand side, which is what? 27 over 41 minus 3 over 41 and what? Minus 14 over 41. Then 1 over 41, 9 over 41, then 1 over 41. And finally 4 over 41 minus 5 over 41 and 4 over 41. So this is how you perform elementary row operations to find the inverse of a matrix. And you can cross-check it using your calculator. So you just put your calculator on matrix mode, that's 6. Then you type, you select any of these matrices, any one. Let me go for 1. Then this is a 3 by 3 matrix, so you press 1. Then you insert the matrix, which is what? 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 4, 3, then 3 minus 1 and 6. Then you press AC to save it. Then you press Shift. Then you press 4. Then you press 3, format A. since we saved it in mat A, then you press this inverse. Then you press equal to. Then you can see this is the matrix. Now let's go back. Now you press this SD to convert it to fraction. So this is 27 over 41. Then you move to the next one. Press SD 1 over 41. You can see it. SD 4 over 41. The next one minus 3 over 41. 9 over 41. Minus 5 over 41. Minus 14 over 41. One over 41. And finally 4 over 41. So you can see that this is correct. So we have successfully used the elementary row operation to find the inverse of this matrix, and we have cross-checked it using this calculator. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.